Hello everyone and welcome back to the Frame channel. You're driving down a road, you hear a sudden thump and your car jerks violently. Chances are you've hit a pothole. But what causes these unpleasant openings on road surfaces? And how are they repaired to make our roads safer? Given the irritation and, in some cases, costly repairs motorists endure due to damaged roads, it's no surprise that companies around the globe offer many products to facilitate the speedy repair of potholes. One such invention comes in the form of instant liquid pothole repair kits. These rubberized solutions can be poured directly into a single pothole or spread more thinly across an alligator-cracked road surface. Repair kits can be deployed to rectify both minor and deep repairs, and their rapid drying times, usually about 40 minutes, help to minimize traffic disruption. When road damage presents as a crack, it is usually due to excessive movement of the surface. In such instances, a reinforced polymer asphalt is often the most suitable solution, as it is specially formulated to deliver greater flexibility than its liquid, rubberized counterpart. Asphalt materials tend to perform especially well during the freeze-thaw cycles. While the application of hot pour mixtures, such as gap mastic, requires a higher level of skill and more specialized equipment, they offer the benefit of increased versatility. For example, in addition to repairing cracks, reinforced polymer asphalt materials can be deployed across an array of structures, including manholes and drains. Even with these highly effective repair solutions at our disposal, some potholes refuse to go away. You've probably noticed that in your local area, certain depressions have an uncanny ability to reappear even after they've been filled. Not only is this annoying for motorists, but it's also expensive for the local authorities tasked with repeatedly repairing the same damage. Specifically designed to overcome this kind of road problem in a matter of minutes, American Road Patch is a blanket-like road maintenance technology used to cover potholes which have already been filled with cold mix and leveled. The product's adhesive backing allows it to bond tightly to its surrounding asphalt, sealing the repaired area below. In addition to reducing the amount of labor required, this solution is quicker than traditional resurfacing techniques and requires no specialist machinery.
Oftentimes we were forced to repair the same pothole on numerous occasions. With American Road Patch, this time frame is extended and is much more cost-effective to the county.
When multiple potholes plague a single location, mechanical patchers are often the best choice. These single-operator machines are able to quickly and effectively perform an array of tasks that would otherwise require an entire team of people. The Python 5000, for instance, maintains the temperature of hot mix in a hopper located at its rear, while a front-mounted multifunctional tool cleans the damaged area. The machine then applies and rolls the asphalt to patch the hole. Alternative models on the market are designed to undertake the preparatory work required before a pothole can be repaired. These units feature cleaning, cutting, and cropping tools that can be used to ensure sites are cleared and made uniform before they are patched. But how exactly do potholes come about? Potholes are formed by expansion and contraction of groundwater under the road asphalt pavements. The water in the underlying asphalt structure can come from floods, underground erosion, or water seeping through small cracks on the road's surface. When this water freezes in winter, it expands, creating and occupying cracks in the asphalt's layout. When this ice melts or evaporates in warmer weather, an empty cavity is left under the road's surface, which eventually caves in due to the weight of traffic. These concave dips in the road that we know as potholes can damage vehicles and are potentially very deadly to road users. If potholes and general wear and tear have really taken their toll, it may be time to go in for a complete road resurfacing operation to prevent unsafe driving conditions. Although admittedly a labor-intensive, disruptive, and time-consuming process, this option delivers the longest-lasting and most aesthetically pleasing results. The first step in this process is to mill the upper layer of a road, removing the old asphalt and exposing the area upon which the rest of the resurfacing operation will be conducted. The entire site must also be swept to ensure that any loose debris is removed. A sticky tack coat can then be applied to aid the adhesion of the asphalt to the underlayer. At this point, any dents, holes, or ruts are filled via a process known as leveling, which, as its name suggests, delivers an even finish. The area is then rolled, a new top layer of asphalt is applied, and the road is rolled again to compact its surface. Once dry, the usual traffic lines and markings can be reapplied. Over the last 5 years, U.S. drivers have spent about $15 billion on repairing vehicles with damages specifically related to potholes. That is an average of $3 billion annually. Given that 27% of major urban roads in the country are reportedly substandard, the American Society of Civil Engineers estimate it would cost a whopping $2.7 trillion to fix crumbling highways and bridge infrastructures all over the country. While wondering if such a gigantic nationwide road-fixing venture will ever occur in any country, the world continues to rely on these innovative companies who are putting in their best to seal up the potholes. That's the end of this feature from The Frame. Please subscribe to this channel to catch us on our next exciting video.